Hey guys, we are deep. So Temu reached out to me for a second collaboration. But before going on the video, just remember say $5 credit is added to your account basically for any late deliveries, and Temu is doing free deliveries and returns for up to 90 days. But let's get in the video. Guys, don't forget to download the Temu app and get a $100 coupon, or you can search my promo code at DKN9929. So first we got this Snow Christmas projector set at $6.07. So basically I bought this for a little Christmas feeling. Really actually, I plug it in. It reflects some snowmans and some snow and some things for the Christmas. Like I saw the representation on the app, but I didn't know how it looked. Okay, hold up. Alright, hold up. This looks like something. Alright, I see a chicken. This is something else. This is candy. No candy. I didn't do it. Alright, but it's actually a nice one for the Christmas thing for the holidays. But yeah, let's get into this. It kind of bugs to us, but yeah, I recommend getting this. Next, we got this waterproof long-lasting lipstick set at just $2.49. Alright, so basically, I gotta put this basically in a video. You see, I use this for a video, but not everything all kind of video. So for the girls, them, I think this was pink. Yeah, it's actually pink. You see, no, I don't like how this come out. I don't like how this lipstick thing come out. Yeah, but I recommend buying this for the females though. Like, it's actually nice to decide on the back. Yeah, and a handy on. Yeah guys, I recommend buying this for your girl or for girls. Yeah, next we got the Smartwatch, $12.99. Basically, this is a phone that can take calls, monitor your heart rate, monitor your blood pressure, tells you the date, tells you the clock. You can see notifications from this watch, but you can't answer them. You can read messages, you can answer calls, you can use it as a portable boombox. Literally, and then the charging, it's so easy. It's not slow or anything. I'm gonna try moving very close to you guys. See, it basically has a home screen. You can scan the QR code. You can set up this from your phone. Very easy, inefficient. It's Bluetooth compatible. Like literally, just put it on your phone. You can even customize the wallpaper. I can put my own picture on my phone as the wallpaper, but I can't do it now. But see, it even monitors your heart rate, everything. It basically gives you the weather. It gives you like all different kind of small basic features. You see. But yeah, I recommend buying this because sometimes I don't like using my phone in open spaces. So imagine me like Men in Black. Hello. But yeah, guys, really and truly, from I come across the app here, it really works so wonders. Cause really and truly, there's like tell me where it come from Temu, you know. You see, my order this from the last package, and really and truly, I'm also thinking I tell them to try to look for my find it on Temu. Whether a wire, whether there's a device, whether I signal need for wear, whether I signal need for kind of use and prepare to do something else. Like either way, enough other things that depend on Temu for household, bathroom, office, car, any type of thing where you need daily activities, games, all different kind of vibes, bro. You can go on the app and say, I look once somebody end up coming off app about 5 things that I wish cat, bro. It's effortless, all different kind of things that you can buy, bro, from all different kind of parts, from electronics to food to cooking to car, anything, maintenance, cleaning, anything at all you might need. I guarantee you have to find it on Temu, bro. No joke. Like you can just look on it, scroll, search, fling it in a car, cash out, and now Christ. Even if you get long to take your packages, you have to win 1 week and you have to get back to in return. And you have to pay for the majority of the time when you order from Temu. So that's the next best thing. But for now, more only for full stuff. So remember to download the app. Next, we got the 3-set pajama set at $16.99. So these are shorts and top. Basically, it's a set. So it's basically more tops here, but these actually go with the shorts. So yeah, so these can actually go on the road, basically. Pajamas for you to sleep. I think there's like 3 colors in here. 3. I got blue, I got green, pink, green, pink, blue. Yeah. Colors them actually look nice, but much more could I get like 2 more colors? Yeah, I think I'll actually add 2 more colors for my arms. But yeah, but buy them if you're a female. Girls, if you like them too, and try to pick up one and show them about this. Okay, So first we got the pink, the green, the blue, all of them just have a look nice vibes about it. So I highly recommend 99% chance of buying this. So let's go. And I want to tell you again, use my code DKN9929. Let's get it. Alright, so basically it has all of the basic apps like a normal tablet, to be honest. It has Instagram, Chrome, Safari, Meet, Temu, YouTube Music, YouTube videos. You can download it on apps too, like TikTok and all that. It has a camera, basic. It's actually a 12 memory running on it now. Let me see, it actually runs smooth. I haven't tested apps on it. Alright, so basically this is the YouTube. Alright, so basically I'm getting a dark mode from this. Most of the videos load fast. I signed in my email. Yeah, most of the videos load up. Let's try to run this one on the app for me. Quality can go on. And the speaker too. Shitski. Why is it looking fun? But yeah, we get the idea. So I recommend buying this tablet, like I recommend buying this tablet for some like basic stuff, like nothing too advanced. But yeah, let's get it. Next thing, we got these TWS AirPods starting at $8.98. Okay guys, before we start about this AirPods, I want to the members of use my promo code DKN9929. Alright, so I love these AirPods because one thing they identified when these are charging, actually they're showing they're charging individually left from right. It's easier to read. It shows how far this is at. I'm gonna test them right now. I tested them already. Basically they're extremely loud and they have noise prevention, so basically if you really set these AirPods good in your head, you won't hear nothing at all on the outside. It's actually comfortable, it doesn't fall out of my ear, and yeah, it's actually comfortable. It's not that big. That's what I really like about it. Just why, but yeah. Next, basically, these are AirPods number 2. The thing that I like about this one caught my eye. And some of you might say, why do I need 2 earphones? Basically, I'm a gamer and I like this music. So one's on my iPad, one's on my phone. This one shows the same purpose as the other one. This one basically shows like a little car dial. You see me? So it shows where the right one is charging, where the left one is charging, and where the bank itself is charging. These earphones actually glow, to be honest. It's a little green circle. Like you can name the earphones and everything. Next thing, we got this Pcs Egg Set for $2.49 for females. Again, with the uses for the foundation, the cement. So yeah, I see girls use this a lot, and majority of the time Chrissy use these things for alternate them about place and she dash them afterwards. So yeah, like she can just get a good amount of them in a one go she can use. So let's get in the next video. Alright. So before I start talking about this secret camera now, don't forget to use my promo code DKN9929. Alright. Next we got this one piece HD mini camera. So basically this works specifically off of Wi-Fi. So literally this is set at $7.49. It has a little mount on it, so basically place it like so. So it's stuck, then you just put it somewhere and you connect your phone to it, and then you show them. So basically it's you can put a little memory card in it. It has a mode for videoing and taking pictures. It's normal Android chargeable. Yeah. Yeah, it's normal Android charger use, and yeah, I want phone map so we can actually test out the quality. I want to phone map right now. So yeah, so guys, don't forget, each product that you see, the link shall be in the description for each and every one of them. So Nobody afraid saying I'll get the right one, you're gonna get the right one. Just make sure you go into the description and just click the link. So remember to download it.